Smile greetings everyone. Today we'll learn how we can treat our knees by Sujok. In Sujok, as in previous videos also you have seen that center two fingers are legs and center joint is our knee joint. Now middle finger center joint is the joint of its own side. That means right hand middle finger center joint is taking care of right knee. Left hand middle finger center joint is taking care of left knee. And ring finger is of the opposite side. This we have already seen in our previous videos. Now if you open the legs in total yin, like we do the dissection of frog, then knee point comes here, the point which is facing the arm. This is the knee point. And if someone has pain, this point will be extremely painful. So massage this point, painful point, with jimmy, or you can take the ring. Do a lot of massage. Tell the person to keep massaging it, and after it's nicely warmed up, we can do moksa. We can do moksa on this point so that it's nicely warmed up. Now after doing moksa, it's warmed up nicely. Now this we can take paper tape and few fenugreek seeds, methi seeds, fenugreek seeds, and put it on that point which is painful, like this, and tell the person to keep pressing it from time to time. This is for our left knee, and the same thing can be done for the right knee here. And for the left knee, this point in the right hand can be taken, and for the right knee, this point of the left hand can be taken. Procedure is same. Massage nicely, warm it up with jimmy, ring, and then do moksa, and then put the seeds. But according to standing position, our knees when we stand has wrinkles. So according to standing position, these are knee points. You will find the painful points here. In case you don't get results like from here, this is also one of the way. You look for the painful point here and do massage and put seeds here. And after doing it for a few days, you will see that results will be there, and very good results. The pain will disappear or the pain will reduce. Now there is a meridian which is going, the stomach meridian, which is going on the kneecap. So if the pain is there on the kneecap, how we can heal by doing meridian system? Let's learn that. Now according to meridian system, any hand, this is my stomach meridian, the line which is facing the index finger, and the stomach meridian passes over the knee joint, kneecap. So if the pain is there on the kneecap, we have to sedate this. For sedating this, either we can color it blue by triogen color, or if you have bar magnet, then put this magnet here. Put this magnet here. The center of the bar magnet will come on the joint, and it's put on the joint again on the line which is facing the index finger. If it's a right knee, put it on the right hand, and if it's left knee, then put it on the left hand, the line which is facing the index finger. and within 5 minutes the pain should come down. If it doesn't come down or if it increases, you can change the direction. But mostly in this direction you get results, but if you don't get results, you can change the direction. Now, one more thing, there is an ending point of stomach meridian in our feet. So, whichever leg has, knee pain has, we have knee pain. This is the ending point of stomach meridian. Here, when you massage, any patient of knee pain will have a lot of pain here. This point. It will be extremely painful for the patient who have knee pain. So on this, massage it nicely and put seeds here. The same thing that you have done for knee pain in the hands, we can also do it in the feet. Again, right foot, center joint, middle finger, center joint. So you bend this, you will get the joint very clearly. Again, this point is your knee joint, knee cap point, or you can get it on standing position, you will get here. So this point will be extremely painful, and you can do massage here by Jimmy. You can use a ring also. The small ring can be taken. You can do the ring massage on this joint. Do moxa and put the seeds here. And in the left foot, same thing in the middle joint, the point facing the thumb. This is the knee cap joint. And if you don't get it here, you will get it on this joint according to the standing position. So you will get the results by doing that. One more thing we can do zone on the stomach meridian. So you can take a leaf, very thin piece, and this paper tape strip should be very, very thin, just to hold the leaf, and put it on the first joint of stomach meridian. Many a times I have seen, just by putting this, the person says that I am feeling better, because we are working on the zone of that meridian. If the pain increases, we can change the direction. We can do upside down. And within seconds, the result will be there in seconds. After doing first zone and the person feels better, we can take the second joint and do zone here. And most of the times after putting this two zone leaf, the person feels much better, and knee pain reduces. It opens the blockages at least, and the pain definitely comes down. Now according to finger system, in every finger you have knee points here. Like this is the body, mini body facing you, and we have arms and legs points on the yin yang line. So below the second joint and below the second joint here, this is of this side knee and this is of this side knee. On this joint also, in any finger, you will find the painful point below the joint little, and you can do massage, moxa, and put seed here, or you can directly do zone also here on the correspondent point. On the correspondent point here I have done the zone. If you have attended my zones webinar, you will know very well how to do it and how effective it is. People have got very good results. So just by doing zone, instantly within seconds the pain disappears. That opens the energy blockages and the pain reduces. but the points which I have shown you before should be done along with it. So this is how we can heal our knee pain. So if you want to get rid of your knee pain, continuously do it for a few days and you're bound to get results. There is no reason you'll not get results. The pain will either reduce or disappear. So smile thanks and smile healing.